My dear friends, this is Dr. Paneer Selvam on behalf of Growth Consultancy. See, innovation is a chain, it's a continuous process, it's unending, it is ever happening because we cannot predict the changes. See, as far as the stationery materials, even though it spoils the forestry and again wood bulbs, everything, but still I think we have been using it. And moreover, even though it is a paperless system, but still I think we don't be completely away from the papers. See, these are the stationery material which we use, for which we require so much of wooden materials. We exhaust natural resources. And again, we print material on this kind of materials. This is also the same stationery material which we require of some innovations. See, these are all things which will create the image, whether it is going to be your business card or your pamphlet or leaflet or brochures. It will all tell about the image of the organizations. And again, you print annual report or you bring out some kind of a report which will give the brief outlook of your organizations. And again, we bring out the balance sheet to be read by the evaluators before funding. So these are all things which we require to be shown in a soft copy as well as a hard copy. And hard copies are used with this kind of materials. So I think the old wine, the new bottle, the same material has been presented maybe like this kind of marbling papers, marbling design to attract your audience and attract your the visitors, so that it will talk little more about the quality and again the image of the organization. Okay, something whether it is going to be a business card or maybe like a greeting or maybe like a small slip kind of message. So these are all one corner of the material which will really exhaust the natural resources. But as an alternate, it is nothing but a handmade paper. So the handmade paper, it doesn't require exhaust your natural resources, but it could be done out of wastage. See, these are the materials completely out of the waste, whether it is a money waste, or cotton waste, or some of the straw waste, even agri waste, and sugarcane waste. So all those waste material can be converted in the form of these papers. So it is nothing but a handmade as well as a recycle. But it will have a better image, better outlook, whether you use it for a small kind of sleeves or maybe like envelopes or giving some messages or printing your annual reports, something like that. It will capture the eyes of your stakeholders. And similarly, I think when you want to leave a message, whether it is local or abroad, I think you can have this kind of different colors or shades. Because color is also natural. We can even if you touch it, it is not showing any chemical. And it is all, you cannot tear it easily because it's all waste material. It's a combination of cotton waste, straw waste, so many agri waste. So it is difficult to tear it off also. So these are the things which will safeguard your natural resources. And moreover, still I think they go for fine tuning, maybe like a velvet type. So these are the materials also. I think they are able to make out of these recycled materials. It is cotton, and again the silk cotton, and the cotton sarees based, or the thread. So these are all giving a different kind of finishings. So again, when you want to store your valuable materials or documents or maybe like photographs, albums, even though it's all soft copy, when it is required to safeguard it very effectively, now I think people are using this kind of brochure or maybe like you can call it as a album, which could contain all the important document which will not be spoiled because it's also recycled. Now, leading exporters to display their kind of products or display their kind of the leather, or maybe like exhibit traditional products or classic products, or incense manufacturers are all kept in this kind of either photographs or otherwise they'll print it on it. So it will have it had a very elegant look, and which will be kept safe for years together. It doesn't easily get spoiled, and moreover it doesn't be very expensive also, because it's made up of the straw wastage and agri waste, sugarcane waste, and the paper waste. Paper waste means the recycling paper waste. So now this kind of they treat as album, or they keep some valuable documents, or important things which will keep safe for many years. So when you go for this kind of innovations, that will absolute your challenge of using or exhausting your natural resources. So when you're innovating, not only you're finding alternate sources, but also restoring your resources, as well as exhaust the resource which we call as a wastage. So I think now this is a period where I think more youth populations are plenty, and think it over to go for recycling this material to convert this product for various purposes. So think it over, save our natural resources innovatively by applying creative thoughts. Wish you all the best.